So, i-read them po tayo ng hot and cold compress. So, first one is verify the patient. Tatanungin po natin yung name and yung birthday po ng patient if conscious po sila. Sir, ano po yung name mo, sir?
Austin Gerard.
Ano po yung birthday po rin?
July 17.
Pwede mo kita height ba, sir? Thank you, sir. The second one po is i-verify po natin yung doctor's order. So, na-check tayo dito. So, i-verify natin yung chart kung may doctor's order na ba. Then, the next one is review natin yung chart. Like, again, i-review natin yung chart kung may specific interventions ba. Then i-assess na natin yung temperature niya, yung skin temperature. Kung mainit yung patient, kailangan natin ng cold compression. Pag malamig naman yung patient, is hot compression. Then i-inspect na natin yung wounds kung makakabala siya sa atin. So let's assume na wala siyang wounds. Then the next one is assess the vital signs and mobility. So makikita naman natin yung BP niya, yung RR niya, at saka yung pulse oximeter niya naman. Then tatanungin natin yung si sir kung nakakagalaw po siya na maayos. Nakakagalaw po ba na maayos, sir? Pwede pong mag-ayos po tayo ng... Then i-prepare na natin yung equipment. So let's assume na muna natin kung kailangan po natin ng cold compression. Magdadala po tayo ng cold packet and PPE and alcohol. Then the next one is i-explain natin yung procedure sa patient natin. So sir, we will now be doing the cold compression, sir. Makakaramdam po kayo ng malamig. Sabihin nyo lang po kung uncomfortable po kayo, sir. Then next one is mag-provide tayo ng privacy. I-close na natin yung curtains, yung door para comfortable yung patient. Then i-position na natin yung patient natin, yung client natin in a comfortable position. Then next one po is mag-hygiene na po tayo. Next po. Prepare the compress. I-prepare na natin yung hot compress. Cold compress.
Tatawa siya ako.
Kaya ito yung cold compression natin. Compression pack. Then i-apply na natin yung compression kung saan affected yung patient. Let's say sa arms. Then i-observe na natin yung skin kung may signs of irritation po ba siya or any allergic reaction. Then stop kung merong di normal na reaction. As of now, wala naman pong reaction na nangyayari, kundi regular and normal reaction. Then the next one is mag-hand hygiene na tayo. And ipoposition na natin yung patient comfortably. Are you comfortable, sir? Alright, the next one is reassess the treated area. The treated area looks normal and there's no signs of irritation or allergies. Then the next one is i-document na natin yung findings natin. Yun lang po.